Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to properly remove the SpinFit SuperFine ear tips from the Apple AirPods Pro. So I previously reviewed this product on my channel and I had a few people in the comments ask how to properly remove the ear tip from the AirPods. Now you may be tempted to just pull it straight off like this, like the Apple ear tips, and if you do that you'll see that the silicone separates from the plastic adapter. Now while we have this taken off, you can see there's a little bit of a gap here between the edge of the plastic adapter and the part that attaches to the AirPod. So we're simply going to take like your thumbnail, and you're just going to put it in between that pocket to pull it off. So there's the adapter taken off. Now we need to fix this. So as you can see, this adapter is oval, but the silicone is circle. So you simply need to stretch the silicone, which is a little bit difficult since I'm holding this camera in front of me, but you essentially just need to wedge one side in there, stretch it over like that. Sorry if that was not in focus, but there we go. So we're back on the adapter, everything is good. To attach it to the AirPods, of course, you just click it straight on. So you just line up the oval, click, and make sure the silicone is not wedged in there. There we go. Okay, so we're back on, everything's good. So now let's take a look how to properly remove it. So again, you want to stick your thumbnail in between, in the middle there, and you don't want to pull it straight off. You want to kind of pull it off like this, or up or down. You want to pull it off at an angle. You just don't want to pull it straight out. So I'm going to stick my thumb in there, and just like that, click it off and put it back on, and that's it. So that's how to properly remove and install the ear tips from SpinFit onto your Apple AirPods Pro. I hope this video helped. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching, and have a great day.